please open that? That's part of our lighting. Turn this light off, please.
Yeah.
The hole's not on that side.
It's okay if you're nervous.
But there's a hole over there.
Everyone.
Your glass is so big.
Can you turn that light on?
Welcome to Two Sisters and a Cocktail.
It's just because it's close to the... Okay. My glass isn't that big. Look.
It's humongous.
It's just thick.
You
Look.
pour it like Mom pours her wine.
Look.
She like pours
How
it
much
and pours
more wine
it and
is that,
pours it.
honestly? Stop it. Let go.
No, I
Honestly.
like it.
How much more wine is that?
It's a lot more.
It's a lot more wine.
Bottled in Bolton, California. B-U-E. Where the hell is that?
Where the F is Bolton, California?
Bolton. So, Insomnia, we got it at Stater Brothers. Did you already say
Stater
that?
Brews.
Did you say that? What's the percentage of
It
alcohol?
has a Facebook logo.
Oh,
I've
this is
never seen a wine with
awesome.
the Facebook logo.
This is pretty good.
I don't really like it.
You don't
It's
like
like
it?
bitter. And it's with the eyes. It says animated label powered by Switchcraft. Patent pending. Wonder if they were on
What's patented about the wine?
I know the label.
Well, this guy looks like he might bite you, so
I wonder if they were on Shark Tank. Look, the label, like, look, it blinks. Boop, 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 boop.
I don't think so.
I don't know.
I think it's good. I think I'd
do?
buy it again.
Really? Maybe for a gift for somebody that... It's got a bite to it. Like, you know how some Cabernets are smooth?
More
Not
importantly, it's
label.
13.8% alcohol now.
Well, but what are most wines?
What does it taste like so the people can understand what you're feeling right now?
It doesn't even give you, like, any flavor profiles. What was this, $7?
Get comfortable.
My chairs really kind of suck. I feel like I have to sneeze.
Well, don't sneeze in the wine. I might end up drinking it.
Oh,
That works.
I do not like this wine.
From what I do know from my educational knowledge bank on this subject is that
If
Stop.
anybody comes to your house,
With your
I can't
accent.
help it. I can't help it. Sometimes I have to look here and then there. If anybody comes to your house at 9:30 at night claiming to be the cable man, there's a problem.
I know. I had an accent earlier and it just won't leave me. It won't leave me.
Oh my god,
It
you
won't-
said...
Maybe. No. I don't know.
Oh, by the way, I got my bangs cut. I freaking love them. If you have any sort of cowlick in this area,
What is cowlick with your hair?
like here, so like you know how some people have like a hair that like turns a little different.
okay.
Here, I have like a cowlick in here. It like goes to a different angle.
To see like a cowlick. Because that had to have happened to get that name, right?
I
A
think
cow
it's like
licked
I think
somebody's
it's like
hair.
from the country, like from the countryside. You know, when like little Timmy's walking in the farm and the cow licks his hair. Cow licks his hair and he comes in the house and his hair is all crazy and it's like, what happened? It's like a cow licked me. It's a cow lick. Let me try that again.
So Two Sisters and a Cocktail. We're here on YouTube. We're here about once a week or so.
And things like that.
So we don't live in the same city.
Edit. Cut,
So
cut.
we don't get to get together as often as we shall like.
It's okay.
But
We got FaceTime. We're not that far away from each other, so about
2 hours, 2.5.
you know, once
this,
a
two-
weekend.
2.5,
Once a weekend.
3, once a weekend.
One weekend.
Once a month, once a week on the weekend. That's what you were trying to
Once, yes. I was. Oh, that's unfortunate.
Oh,
What is fortunate is that there's more wine in here.
mind me. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna. Can you? Okay.
All
I
right,
have to sneeze.
I'm done. Are you done?
Yeah. There it is.
Okay, I'm done.